Hi, in this video the Legalraasta team will teach you all about the Limited Liability Partnership annual filing in India. Now, what is the meaning of Limited Liability Partnership annual filing? LLPs in India must file its annual return within 60 days from the end of financial year and statement of account and solvency within 30 days from end of 6 months of close of financial year. Unlike companies, LLPs mandatory have to maintain their financial year, as 1st April to 31st March. Therefore, LLP annual return is due on 30th May and the statement of account and solvency is due on 30th October of each financial year. Legalraasta can help you in preparing and filling annual returns for just Rs 2,499. Legalraasta.com is India's top destination for legal and company matters. We can help you in forming any type of business entity, example private limited company, LLP, filing individual and company return, helping companies for their compliances such as ROC filings and minutes, protecting work through trademark and copyright. We are a trusted partner with multiple top-level expertise and affiliation, and yet cost-effective. So log on now at legalraasta.com to file LLP annual return or mail us at contact@legalraasta.com.